to my channel and welcome to the next episode, which is the 7th episode of this series Simplifying Agentforce, where we are going to learn how we create messaging channel, embedded service deployment, and how we automatically get a VF page for testing our agent before it goes live to any of the Service Cloud website or any external system. Now without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, a click on the subscribe button below will be awesome. Now without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Okay, now as I told you in the previous episode, we have done all the omni-channel configuration, but to see the escalation to a human agent, we'll have to deploy our agent to somewhere, either on the VF page or on an external website, right? Or maybe a Service Cloud website, correct? Now, there are few configurations that needs to be done. We will have to create our domain, we will have to create a messaging channel and an embedded service deployment to get the agent to action, right? To make the agent live. Let's do it one by one. I'm again in the org that is just created for omni-channel routing and the deployment, but our example org is different where I have all the setup already, but I want to do it with you step by step so there's no confusion of how it was created or if there was any error. That's why we have a fresh different org for episode 6 and 7 so that you can see the omni-channel configuration step by step and also the deployment step by step. Okay, now what do we need to do next? Let's go to setup first. We'll first have to enable digital experience. Okay, so in the setup quick find box, you search for digital experience. Okay, go to the settings. We'll have to set a domain for our org, which will be used in every site that we create. Okay, click on enable digital experience. This will be the domain. Copy your domain because we are going to use it while creating a messaging channel and save it. Okay, and this is how you have activated digital experience. Now you can create multiple sites. It can say maximum number of published and unpublished sites can be 100. That's a lot for testing. Okay, we'll come back here later. Let's go to messaging channel. We'll have to create messaging setting and a messaging channel for our agent to be live. Let's turn it on, toggle it on, and then create a messaging channel. Now click on start. You will select messaging for in-app and web because we will be using the agent in a website. Let's name it support agent channel. Okay, developer name will be auto-populated. Deployment type will be web because we are going to deploy it on a website. Now domain, paste the domain that we have copied from there and click on next. Okay, routing type will be Agentforce service agents. Select your service agent. Is it not active? Okay, this is the service agent, and select the queue as well that you have created. Click on save. Accept the conditions, save, and your messaging channel has been created. These are the details. You don't have to do anything. Your agent is here, your fallback queue is here, and you're good to go. And the best part, when we create a messaging channel, we don't have to create an embedded service deployment separately. So once you search embedded, you will come here, right? This is the deployment which is necessary for deploying your agent to any of the external websites or something, right? Now you see, when you create a messaging channel, embedded service deployment gets created automatically. You don't have to do anything for that. This is the embedded service deployment. Now there are few of the things that we have. If you'll come to the bottom, you see test messaging. This actually creates a Visualforce page for you without doing any deployment, without doing any of the coding. This will create a Visualforce page for you where you can test your agent as a live agent. So with this, you can actually test the escalation as well, which I'm going to show you right now. So the agent is available, right? Now here comes your agent. This is already live on a page without you doing anything, but that's not live. That's a VF page which gives you a power to actually test your agent before you deploy it to any other external websites, right? Now it says, how can I help you? Let's just say connect me to an agent, okay? Because we want to check that functionality to an agent. Once you say this, It will say 1 moment, I'm connecting. This is not being transferred. That means we have missed something. Okay, I got it. Go to your user. So there's one more setting that needs to be enabled, which is that your user, which is playing a human agent's role, has to be a Service Cloud user. So you will go to your user, edit your user, and then there has to be this checkbox, right? Service Cloud checkbox. Save it. Okay, now let's just end this chat, refresh this page and try it again. Okay, click on this one. I am online here. I will say connect me to an agent, and the moment I say that, it will say 1 moment, I'm connecting, and here if you will say I already have the chat. Now from here, I as a human agent can have the conversations. But wait, I cannot see the conversation because the conversational preview, the conversational panel has not been added yet. Now let's go here and edit this page. And from here, we will have to add the conversation. Now we'll have to add the enhanced conversation. Okay, right now only the conversation is there. Let's just delete this one and add the enhanced conversation here. Once that's done, save it. Save this one. Activate. Yes. Assign as or default. Take stop. Save. Okay. Now we should see the conversation. Let's go here. The conversation panel is open. Let's see if we see that. Yes, I can see the conversation. Now, right now we have just started the conversation with saying that connect me to an agent, but if the customer is chatting to an agent, if they have any issue that they are sharing with the agent, the human agent will have all the history so that the human agent will not repeat the things and they know from what point of concern the customer is coming from. That's how the escalation from Agentforce agent to human agent happens with the help of omni-channel routing configurations. The episode 6 and episode 7 was about omni-channel configurations and how you can create messaging channel and embedded service deployment to have a VF page to test your agent and also to test the functionality of how the chat escalation works. That is it for today's video. I hope you found this useful. In the next video, we learn how we can actually deploy our agent, make it live on an external website. Till then, bye-bye, take care and keep learning.